Okay, today we're going to be draining the oil out of this engine. It's a Sunday, so we're almost to Christmas break. 2 more days of school, and then I'll take it apart, but for now I'm just draining the oil. So, I guess that's pretty much all I have to tell you guys. Let's get started. That's pretty thick. Probably should have put it upside down or put it in the dirt bike, but I didn't. Guess I can go ahead and put it. I guess I'll just put it in the dirt bike. I actually don't know what to do right now, because we don't really have a kickstand for the dirt bike. I have to rig something up here. That stuff is super thick. I'll just come back whenever I get something rigged up. Okay, so we rigged this up. We're just not going to use that big oil pan. We just got a little container. It's kind of dirty, but we're not keeping the oil, obviously. So, yeah, I'm going to see if I can take this out under here. Yeah, I'm going to have to come over and find a ratchet or something. we got it. Yeah, it's draining a lot quicker now. It's not sideways. Yeah, it's coming out now. This might take a while, I don't know. Yeah, I guess I'll start taking this thing completely apart on Wednesday, hopefully. It's Sunday right now. So keep an eye out for the next video. And we'll be diagnosing some, see if there's any more problems, you know. I think I've already figured out most of it, but I don't know. Might need a new clutch or something. You can see though once we get it all taken apart. So yeah, and I want to say thank you to my brother for recording all this. It's a big help to me. Guess we'll just cut this part out of the video. I'll see you later whenever this finished draining, something like that. When it finishes draining, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so we had a couple problems whenever, well, first of all, the SD card on the camera got full, so we had to stop recording it, and this got full too, so we had to dump it into the bigger pan. Why? We ran out of room on the SD card, and then we had to leave, so it's Monday now. We're gonna finish this project. So, yeah, I'm gonna get started. We haven't got all the tools out yet, that would have been a good idea. Okay. Okay, we're going again. It's probably going to be a long video. Okay, so we had some difficulties, but we finally got it all drained. Mostly, I think it's still dripping a little bit. I'm not sure how good you can see that. You can probably see it better now. But yeah, it's still just dripping a little bit. We'll just wait for that to get all out. Maybe if I rock this back and forth like this. Yeah, it's coming out a little more now. Yeah, there's like nothing left in here. I guess that's probably good enough. Okay. I'm gonna have to fuse all these videos together. Guess Sam knows how to do that. The only thing I don't like about ratchets is that I can never tell which way it is, if it's tightening or loosening. You gotta put it on to figure it out. Okay. Well, I guess this video is probably gonna be done pretty soon. But tomorrow afternoon I'm gonna try to get this thing taken apart. I'm gonna have to do some research on how to do that. I've actually never worked on a dirt bike before. It's kind of a first for me. I'm more used to cars, and this is a two-stroke. That just makes it harder. But I think I should be able to handle it. Gonna take a while though. I'm gonna get as much as I can get done during Christmas break. Hopefully a video every day. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. So I guess that's it. I'll see you guys later.